Mga kaibigan, isang magandang umaga. May sasabihin lang ho tayo that we are now here in our Facebook page, in our YouTube channel, here in our TikTok right now. And those people not yet follow us, try to hit the notification bell, share, and comment in our video. And also, those people not yet follow, and then I ask for your good heart to follow, especially our TikTok, YouTube, and the Facebook page. So we are here to discuss about what is our duties and responsibility of here in our country right now, being to be entrusted as a tools of the government. That the government, we are not an owner of this universe. At the same time, we are not an owner of this government. That we are temporary stewards of this government. That we are entrusted to lead the countries, at the same time to uphold our constitutional conditions in our country, as a task that we are entrusted to us. We are being entrusted to be one of those architects in this country, especially those who are in the different positions and different tasking in this government. So in this government, that we are all not an owner, we are all having an great responsibility and duties and obligations to be follow our rules of conduct, rules of and regulations under the law, within the doctrines and the principle of the law, especially between that law and the human. So as ordinary citizens of this country, that we have a lot of obligations to be followed, especially that we are involving or we are engaging to be an stewards of these nations. Here in the Philippines, those people who are entrusted in the government and to be lead or to be an architect of this country, try to think about that you are elected by the people under of our Philippine constitutions, and do not be abused in any forms of abusive power to do not implement a good rules of law, at the same time to corrupt the money in the government, and to have no secure for the Filipino people. That there is nothing to be an permanent of this universe. That we are also temporary, and we are also has big definitions to lead the countries, to lead these nations, to lead these archipelagic nations here in the country, here in the Philippines, in order to follow a certain rules and regulations under the law, especially in our Philippine constitutions, to uphold in any types of enforcement the law in this country, so that we can upholding to the good reputations and also the good rapport to all the Filipino citizens in this country, to leading us to become good, to become a good in the foreign policies, that we are an architect, that you can use your mind, or we use our mind in order to resolve these issues. If there is an issues in the country and there is nothing to for you to solve because you are in the corruptions, if we are or you are in that kinds of corruptions, and you do not think about the care of our nations, the care of our economy, and the care of our Filipinos, especially who are living in this country, so that you can uphold, that is our mandate, when we are upholding in our constitutional conditions in our country right now, especially to manage and to uplift what was the mandate of the law, being an elected officials of this country. And even you are not an elected officials of this country and different offices and agencies of this country. So there is an corruptions if ever you are not bribe itself, for those people who bribe with you, and then do not accept with that. We have a patriotism's principle of this country. So that you can think about it. Kasi marami pong mga kurap ngayon, di ba? Ang dami po ninyong mga kurap na tao. So, there is E.F. Kernil, which is parang judge, no? Parang judge advocates, no? Ng parang judge, no ba? Yung ano po, where the pound did in his quarters. Kasi ayaw yan mababayaran, di ba? Siguro hindi natin alam because we conduct or there is a conducting an investigation or thorough investigation with that. So ganun na yan. That is the result, no? So kagaya ng sinasabi natin mga kaibigan, ang dami pong mga kurap ngayon, no? Naglilipana ho sa buong Pilipinas.